Replacing a door may seem straightforward, but it's a project where small mistakes can lead to big headaches. Whether you're upgrading your front door for better curb appeal, installing a more secure option, or simply replacing a worn-out interior door, understanding common pitfalls will save you time, money, and frustration. Homeowners in Talladega should pay special attention to these mistakes to ensure their door replacement project is successful. Choosing the wrong door size. One of the most frequent mistakes is selecting a door that doesn't fit properly. Even a fraction of an inch off can cause issues like drafts, sticking, or difficulty opening and closing. Always measure the height, width, and depth of the existing frame before ordering your new door. If your home in Talladega has older construction, it's especially important to double-check dimensions since settling over time can cause frames to shift. Ignoring energy efficiency. Talladega experiences hot summers and chilly winters, which means energy efficiency should be a top priority. Many homeowners focus only on style or cost when choosing a new door and forget about insulation. Selecting a door without proper energy ratings can increase your utility bills and make your home less comfortable. Look for doors with weather stripping, insulated cores, or Energy Star certification to keep indoor temperatures consistent. Overlooking local climate considerations. Not all doors perform equally in every climate. Wooden doors, for instance, can warp or swell in Talladega's humid conditions. Steel doors may rust if not properly coated or maintained. Failing to account for how the local climate will affect your door over time could shorten its lifespan. Before purchasing, ask your installer which materials are best suited for Talladega's environment. Skipping professional installation. While DIY door replacement might seem like a money-saving option, improper installation often leads to problems down the road. A misaligned door can cause gaps, drafts, or security risks. Professional installers in Talladega have the tools and expertise to ensure your door is hung correctly, sealed tightly, and compliant with building codes. Hiring a pro may cost more upfront, but it saves on future repairs. Neglecting security features. Your entry door is your first line of defense against intruders, yet many homeowners forget to factor in security when replacing doors. Opting for flimsy locks or doors made from weak materials can compromise your home's safety. When shopping for a replacement door in Talladega, consider reinforced frames, deadbolts, and high-quality hardware to enhance your home's protection. Forgetting about style and curb appeal. A new door is not just functional, it's also a key design element. Some homeowners replace a door without considering how it complements their home's architecture. Choosing a mismatched style or color can hurt curb appeal and even reduce resale value. Whether you prefer a modern steel door or a classic wood look, select an option that enhances your Talladega home's overall aesthetic. Ignoring maintenance needs. Every type of door material comes with different maintenance requirements. For example, wood may need regular staining or painting, while fiberglass offers low maintenance durability. Overlooking these upkeep needs can result in premature wear and tear. Before committing, think about how much time and effort you're willing to invest in maintenance. Underestimating the budget. Another common mistake is failing to plan for the full cost of door replacement. Homeowners often budget only for the door itself, overlooking expenses such as installation, hardware, and finishing. Setting aside a realistic budget ensures there are no financial surprises mid-project. Final thoughts. Door replacement in Talladega can be a worthwhile investment that boosts your home's security, efficiency, and beauty. However, avoiding these common mistakes, choosing the wrong size, ignoring energy efficiency, skipping professional installation, and neglecting style or security, will help ensure your project goes smoothly. With the right preparation and guidance from local experts, you'll enjoy a door that enhances both the comfort and value of your home for years to come.